So I bought this 410, T410. I just bought some RAM for it to upgrade. It's got 4 in it, and I'm putting 16 in. I'm hoping it'll fit, but whether it does or not, I don't know. But hey, it looks similar to my old one. I love these old machines, built like bricks, very capable still. So I think you got to take the keyboard out and this back patch. Yeah, it's just a little sign there saying keyboard, so there's a screw just in line with that. So let me take this off and we'll have a look. So there's one of the RAM sticks obviously, and this is the keyboard screw. Don't want to lose that, so I'll put that to one side. Right, flip it over, try and pull the keyboard out. So there you go, just prizes up. I pulled the connection off, and then your RAM is underneath here, so I'll change this one first. I've got to get it out of the package, forgot about that bit. So there you go, that was that one in. Let's do the underside now one, and then put the keyboard back in place. In fact, I'll do that now. 2 hands though. Okay, that's both of them in. I'll open it up now, turn it on, see if it works. So it's going to be, your system's about 8 gigabytes. It must have been two sticks of 4, not 2 sticks of 8 like I thought it was, but never mind. Still doubled the RAM on it, so it should make it a bit more useful. Yeah, really easy to do, so well worth doing. It cost me £10 that did, to double the RAM, so well worth it.